Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Catalysts are essential in chemistry, and we can solve this problem quickly by understanding how they change reaction pathways to speed up the process. A catalyst functions by providing an alternative reaction pathway that is much more efficient than the original one. This new route significantly lowers the activation energy required for the reaction. It does not alter the overall energy change or the thermodynamics of the reactants and products. The catalyst simply makes it easier for the molecules to reach the necessary transition state. Option B is the only choice that correctly describes this lowering of activation energy. This makes it our final answer for this chemistry problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.